I see you.
That's gonna look great on camera. Well, let's check in with Evan. He's getting the deck all cleaned off and still hitting me with snow apparently. How's it going, Evan?
Good.
Holy cow. Got a long way to go, huh? You'll start getting rid of some of it, okay?
Okay. And then throwing it like a
Hey, welcome back to 360 Alaskan Life. Well, as you can see, it snowed quite a bit. In fact, on Sunday, it snowed 12 inches. So here we are on Tuesday, and we're getting another 12 inches. So I'd say there's about 8 inches or so on the ground. And unfortunately, on Sunday, it was just too dark to film, so I didn't catch any of that. I stacked up a lot of snow since then. But now we got to get back out there and clean all the snow again today. So we're down here at the snow dump at the bottom of my driveway, and this is where we've got 3 different roads meet. We've got my driveway up that way, we've got the main road going up to the highway, and we got the road going down to my neighbor's house. And you can see from last Sunday, I had to push up all that snow there. It's getting to be almost as tall as the cab on the Kubota. It's got a little ways to go yet, but we've got a good another foot on the ground right now, and a little more coming tonight. So by the time I get done stacking, it'll probably be taller than the cab of the tractor. So join me down here at the snow dump, and we'll plow this area out, see if we can clean it up a little bit, make it passable. Hey, welcome back to the cab of my Kubota B2650. We're about to get to work down here at the snow dump, but before we do, I got an exciting announcement. So today I ordered stickers for the channel for the first time. So I'm going to put an example of these stickers up on the screen right here. I got them ordered from a local Alaska company. And hopefully I should have them in a few days to start getting them sent out to some guys. So I'll let you know about that. Thanks a lot. Seems like the hydraulics are a little cold today. They're moving kind of slow. The Kubota's been warming up for at least half an hour now, but I don't think it warmed up the hydraulics a lot. The loader's moving kind of slow. I'm not sure if you can see that on the video, but the loader seemed to be moving kind of slow at first. I think the tractor's still warming up for the day. It's tired. So down here in my neighborhood, there's not a whole lot of houses. We only have 4 on the road itself, and so we don't have any road service down here. So this area out here is actually a public road, but we have to maintain it ourselves, or you can't get out of your driveway. So we maintain the road right here up to the state highway, where the state maintains that highway. So right now I'm up here on the actual road part of my drive up to the highway here, so I gotta get that cleaned off. The Kubota just has no problems with the light fluffy snow, but that wet snow I was moving, I wish I could have filmed that. It was just way too dark outside. And that wet snow was really giving me heck. I stalled the tractor out several times just from how heavy the snow was. Normally all the snow we get here in the interior Alaska is this fluffier stuff. Some people call it sugar snow because it's almost like powdered sugar. It doesn't like to stick together, and that's because of how cold it gets around here. So we'll get an early snowfall in October or so, and it gets so cold that most of the snow never leaves us. It just stays here for the rest of the year, clear till spring. I'm not sure how well you can see it on camera, but you can see the pure ice like 2 inches thick from where it rained the other day. Now, one of the reasons it's so important I get this whole road done all the way up to the highway is so Amanda can get home safely after a long day of work. She's at the airport right now, and one of the many jobs she does is out there cleaning the runways at the airport with big brooms. So I'll put a picture up on the screen right now to show you what she does. She's kind of a badass out there. But I want to make sure she's able to get down the driveway safely and get home after a long day at work. Especially she likes to work, 12 hours during the most extreme weather of the year. So I want to make sure it's as safe as possible. So now we've moved on to the next part of the snow dump cleanup. That's my driveway portion coming downhill. And then we push it right into the dump up there. So when you're out on your own property doing your tractor therapy, what do you like to do? So for me, I listen to audiobooks, which is handy, of course, here in the cab, or if you got a set of headphones on. I just really enjoy listening to audiobooks, or sometimes turn on a little music while I'm doing the plowing out here. Leave in the comments what you guys like to do while you're out plowing or working in your land with your tractor. Of course, nowadays, the other thing I like to do while I'm working in my tractor is make YouTube videos. So thanks for watching them. So when I'm moving a lot of snow like this, I always like to leave the bucket and float on the ground, and then I just kind of adjust the bucket by tilting it. So if I feel I'm starting to get stuck or the tractor's slugging down a little bit, I just tilt the bucket up just a little, and normally I can keep on moving with my snow pile. And if I need to grab a little more snow, I don't have enough in the bucket, then I just tilt the bucket down a little bit. So what do you guys do when you're plowing snow? Leave your answer in the comment. I'd love to hear it. Just had to spin a little 180 right there. Not quite the 360 Alaskan life, but it'll do. Well, let's see if we can get the final big push down the driveway here. Then I think it's time to stop filming for the day, as the sun's already getting ready to set. Hey, step on into the cab. It's nice and warm in here. Let's get to plowing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 360 Alaskan Life. If you're watching closely just then, you'll see my box blades at quite the angle in the back, and obviously the bolt came loose and the top adjustment has spun free quite a bit, so I need to tighten it back up. Well, I finished cleaning up the snow dump area, but it's getting to be almost sunset around here, and I got a lot more work to do ahead of me. Got driveways to clean and everything. But you see the snow pile now, it's a lot taller. I think it is as tall as the Kubota now. Well, anyway, thanks everybody for watching. Have a great night, and we'll see you later on 360 Alaskan Life. Don't forget to like and subscribe.